Nowadays, we all use the internet for a variety of different purposes. It is critical to be secure when communicating with friends and family, working from home, or conducting banking and bill paying online. If cybersecurity statistics are to be believed, we should all be concerned about the risks posed by the internet. With each passing year, we witness unprecedented data loss due to cybersecurity breaches, as well as massive cyber attacks on corporations, government agencies, and infrastructure. So using a VPN is one of the best ways to keep yourself safe and your activity private. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the key benefits of using a VPN, and we'll discuss why you should get one. So don't miss any portion of the video. And if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos we upload. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. There are numerous advantages to having a VPN and using it all the time when you're on your device. In fact, security and data protection aren't the only reasons to keep a VPN connected at all times. With a VPN connected, you would be able to remove restrictions on geo-locked content and safely access public Wi-Fi. Let's talk about some more advantages that a VPN can provide that you might not know. The first benefit of using a VPN is privacy of data. When using your home Wi-Fi, you're less likely to be attacked by hackers than when using a public connection. However, our data remains vulnerable. In fact, your ISP or Internet Service Provider company that charges you for Wi-Fi each month has access to all of your internet data. Your Internet Service Provider can see when, where, and how you browse. Even if you use the private browsing function, your data can still be collected and sold to advertisers. It can be dangerous in the event of a data breach if it gets into the wrong hands. A VPN in this case can assist in masking your IP address from your ISP, so they can't track you and collect your data. Moving forward, the second reason why VPNs are necessary is accessing geo-locked content anywhere. VPNs are about more than just security. VPNs mask your location, making it appear as if you're browsing from somewhere else. Many streaming services such as Netflix provide different content depending on your location. By using a VPN to change your location, you can pretend to be somewhere else in the world and view completely different content. In addition to using a VPN to access Netflix content, changing your VPN settings to the relevant country can often provide access to regional sports coverage that is unavailable in your location. VPN can save money. It is possible to save money by using a VPN. Yes, that's right. This is because some retailers, particularly hotels and airlines, track your network information and may charge you higher prices if they discover you frequently look up their services. Some businesses will even check to see if you're a repeat visitor or customer, or if you frequently shop at luxury stores online, and then raise the prices accordingly. When you use a VPN to mask your location, you'll see more realistic prices that are unaffected by how you browse. Security and protection. VPN also provides increased security and internet protection regardless of where you are. Everything from your bank account information to your emails will be kept safe and secure because it is automatically secured with military-grade 256-bit AES encryption. Your data is encrypted and your activity is protected. This means that even if someone gained access to your data, they would never be able to decrypt it. Apart from that, VPN also safeguards your communications, including emails and Zoom meetings. A VPN is required to keep your personal message private and secure. Another advantage is that money can be transferred safely and securely. Access to unlimited bandwidth. If you frequently use the internet to download new content or play games, your ISP may limit your connection speeds or bandwidth usage. However, they can't track you if you use a VPN. In this way, you can download or play without any limit. You'll be anonymous and have plenty of bandwidth if you use a VPN. Although not all ISPs may limit your connection. If they do, a VPN simply resets the clock. So it's a great way to avoid data throttling because your ISP can't see how much data you're using. Last but not least, if you're confused about which VPN to use, try NordVPN as it is my personal favorite. That's all for today's video, guys. Tell us your views in the comment section, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. See you in the next video. Cheers!